How to fix Neon Abyss 2 crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to the library and right click on the game, go to the properties window, and then under general tab launch options you want to type the following command -dx11 like this, and then click on the installed files tab, click on verify integrity of game files, and wait for this process to finish up. Now, once this is done, click on the browse button and then find the game.exe file, right click on it and open up the properties window, and then go to the compatibility tab and check disable full screen optimizations and check run this program as admin, and then apply and close out of this. Then you can close Steam and open up your GPU application. So for NVIDIA, you should install NVIDIA app and then go to the drivers section and check for updates and make sure to download and install the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. And once you do that, you should simply restart your computer, even if it doesn't ask you to restart. And once you restart, you should open up Steam as administrator before actually playing the game. Now, once it's launched as admin, you can simply launch the game again, and that should fix the crashing problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.